Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast. Hope you're doing well. Hey, I'm out of town this week. I'm actually working in Houston and in our main office here. You can see the Houston skyline in the background here. Stuck off in one of our conference rooms, and so let me see if I can do this. I've got a lot to cover, so let me just jump right into it. I'm gonna have to read a bunch of this stuff tonight, but coming up this Friday, when you see this, the Revs. The Revs tour this Friday, and we're going to have lunch at Spanky, so I hope you register for that. Should be a good turnout. Really enjoy that. On the 1st, we have the Sarasota Cars and Coffee, and we have the Gainesville Cars and Coffee at Tioga Town Center. And on the 1st also, we have the Dine and Drive, and they're going to go to Hofbrau Amelia, which is in Fernindina Beach. So check that out if you're up in the Jacksonville area. On the 2nd, we have Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte breakfast. On the 4th, we have the St. Pete Clearwater meeting. On the 8th, the next week, we have the Autocross down in Fort Myers. So 2-day event there, Saturday, Sunday. And then on the 8th also, we have the Jacksonville Caffeine and Octane. So check that out. Keeble and Al and the guys up there, Gary and all the guys up there. On the 9th, we have the Gainesville Cars and Coffee. On the 9th, we also have the Naples Cars and Coffee. It's back this month. And then a series of other events coming up. Let me just touch on these. If you're up in the area, checking it out, the Amelia Island car show is going on the 6th. And on the 8th at Amelia Island is the 3 Series celebration. So 50 years of the 3 Series. And I think all of us have owned at least one 3 Series in our time period. That's on the 6th. On the 23rd is the BIG in Cape Coral, the British, Italian, German. And I think Friday is the last day to sign up for that. So get your registrations in. We need to see some BMWs in there. I think there's like 7 or 8, 10 in there. And there's some new, I think relatively new entries in there. So get yours in. I got entered last night. So get in and get that done. That's on the 23rd of March. On the 27th of March, we're launching our track events. And we have a whole host of track events coming up this year. Promise to get into this, so finally we're getting there. So Track Night America at Sebring. Sign up on it's on the 27th. You need to RSVP through the channel. Follow the instructions so that we know how to get in and go in together, those kind of things. We'll show you. If you've never done a track night, this is amazing. The price is off the rails, inexpensive for track nights. So come and join us at the Sebring track event. A lot of us have been to Sebring, so we'll enjoy that. That's on the 27th. Then we go into April. The 5th is the BMW Invasion over in West Palm Beach. Huge event. We're going to have half a dozen of our cars there. We're going to have 18 cars, I think, in total. And we're joining the CCA and the M Chapter. And I believe Everglades may be there this year and Sunshine may be there. So we're going to represent we're going to have all the chapters in Florida, but we'll have Florida SunCoast will be sort of the center to that piece, if you will, along with M Chapter and CCA. And then coming up on the 24th of April is the MIX up in Greer, South Carolina. So a lot to do, a lot to look forward to, and come and be a